Hi everyone, I'm Miss Daniella and welcome to the first day of the City of Oakland Park's virtual Halloween Bash. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own ghost garland. This is a really easy craft that you can make at home. You only need 5 items to make this, and the first item you need is napkins or paper towels, whichever you have access to, a pair of scissors, yarn or tulle or any sort of string that you may have, and any dark marker, whether it be black, brown, or gray. It's your choice, because remember, this is your creation and it's up to you how you want to make it. So the first step in making your ghost garland is you're gonna get a paper towel or napkin, whichever you have, and you're gonna roll it into a paper ball. And make sure you do it really tight so that it doesn't expand back out, because it'll make the ghost look a little odd. I'm gonna be making 5 ghosts for my garland, but you can make as many as you want, because as I said, it is your creation. If you wanna make them for around your whole room, you can, or around your whole house even, you can. So I already prepared 3 ghosts. So I have my 5 ghosts ready. And after you put it in a ball and make the ghost head, you're going to get a paper towel and wrap it around the ghost. Make sure you center it so that it's even around all sides, and you pinch and twist a little bit so that the ghost stays on. So when you're making your ghost, just make sure you do that, because you don't want it to come apart. And as I said, you can make as many as you want. I'm just making 5 to show you guys the ropes and make it easy. And as you can see, the tighter you do it, the more ghostly it looks, because if you don't pinch it and make it tight around the ghost head, it looks a little odd and it doesn't look circular. So make sure you pinch it like so that it looks correct, and make sure you center it. Okay. After you have all of your ghosts prepared, you are going to cut some string off to make them hangable. Now, if you need mom or dad's help for scissors, make sure you ask. And it's always good to cut more yarn than less, because if there's excess, then you can just cut it off in the end. Whereas if you cut too little, then you have to start over. So after you cut your string, you're going to wrap it around the ghost and just tie a simple knot. I'm gonna do 2 knots for each ghost, just to make sure that it stays. And I'm gonna pull it really tight to make sure that they don't fall off. Okay. And after this step, we're gonna be drawing faces on our ghosts. So that's what we are going to be using the marker for. And for my ghost, as you can see, for the garland that's already made, I did scary faces and happy faces, but you can draw a vampire face if you want, or a little ghost with buck teeth. It's your creation. So whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and do that. For me, I think I'm gonna do every other one happy and then scared, just because I think they look really cute like that. And like I said, make sure you're tying it really tight so that it doesn't come off. Okay. When you're putting the ghost on, make sure you put them a good distance apart, so when they're hanging, they don't bump into each other. For me, I try and do it about 2 hand widths apart so that they won't bump into each other when they're hanging. Since I'm an adult, I obviously have bigger hands, so maybe do 3 hand widths apart, just to make sure that they don't bump into each other. Better safe than sorry. with that. And I'm tying off the last ghost now. And see how there's so much excess string? I'm just gonna cut some off, which is good. Like I said, we'd rather cut off the excess than not have enough. So now that I see how this is gonna hang, I wanna make sure that I lay the ghosts like this so that when they're hanging, we can see how they're gonna face. So that when we draw the faces, you can see all of them. So when you're drawing your faces, like I said, do it whichever way you want. If you want a scary ghost, you can do a scary ghost. If you want a happy ghost, then go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna do happy, scared, happy, because I think that's a really cute pattern. And I think it just looks really cute. But like I said, if you want to do a little vampire or a little monster, that is up to you. These are your ghosts, and you can hang them in your room or in your kitchen and make as many as you want, because it's a really easy craft and decoration to make, and it doesn't use that many materials, and they're very cute. And you can reuse them again and again and put them wherever you want. So this is how my garland turned out. For anyone who wants to see, here we go. You can see the little happy ghost. So I'm probably gonna hang mine up in my room. Thank you everyone for joining on today to see how we make our ghost garland. And make sure to post videos and show us your garlands and photos and videos and tag us at the City of Oakland Park, because we'd love to see your creations. Thanks, have a great day.